Hey everybody, and welcome to this video. This is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right here. I think it is a really pretty kind of like smoky Valentine's Day look. If Valentine's Day hasn't passed by the time I upload this, hopefully it hasn't. But it's just like a really pretty smoky berry eye. And yeah, I did use the Bad Habit Athena palette to do this look. I'm in love with this palette. You'll see the quality of it in the video. It's really good, and it's only $12, and it's supposed to be like a knockoff of the Desert Dusk palette by Huda Beauty. So if you didn't want to pay the $60, this is only $12, so it's definitely a good inexpensive alternative to that, FYI. But yeah, if you guys want to see this palette in action and kind of see the quality and all that, go ahead and just keep on watching. Alright, so I do have my foundation and eyebrows already done. I am doing a wear test on the Maybelline Superstay foundation, so that should be up. So I do already have like my foundation and concealer and everything done. So we're going to go ahead and do the eyes and then finish up the rest of the face. So I do want to use the Bad Habit Athena palette today because I've just like been dying to use it. So that's what we're going to do today. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm just going to be using my MAC Lay Low paint pot. Alright, I am going to start off by taking this shade up here called Truth, and it looks like a nice like taupey brown color. I'm just going to take that on a fluffy crease brush. Just buff that into the crease. Very pigmented, so I'm going to make sure I really buff it out because I didn't want that to be so pigmented. So yeah, this is my first time using this palette by Bad Habit. I did use one of their like little Huda Beauty like knockoff palettes, like one of her like little mini obsessions. It's called, the one from Bad Habit is called After Dark, and I really like that palette. So I have high hopes for this palette as well. And if you want to see me using that, I did do it in a chit chat get ready with me, so I'll put it up here in a little thing so you can click on it and watch that as well after this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and just really buff that in. It's a very cool toned crease color. I'm gonna amp it up with a little bit more of a warmer tone. I'm just gonna go in with this color down here called Clever, and it's more of a warm brown, and just pop that right underneath that in the socket. So these colors seem to be blending pretty nicely. I'm just gonna go in and really blend out those edges. I feel like it's like not catching like part of my lid right here for some reason. That's weird. Now I'm just gonna go in with this color right here called Power, and I'm gonna pop that right on the outer corner, just for like a pop of color. And you can kind of blend the edges of it up into the crease, but keep it very like pigmented right on that outer corner. Just slightly blend out the edges up into the crease lightly. That's what we have. Now I'm gonna go in with this shimmer called Divine. I'm gonna put that like right next to that matte red color, like on the center of the eye, leaving like the inner third open. Then I'm gonna go back in with that Power color, which is the red color, and make sure that that stays pigmented on that outer corner. I feel like I low-key want to use this like glittery red shade, but I don't at the same time. I don't know. I think I'm going to do it, but I'm going to start off by putting like a base color. So I'm going to go ahead and put this color Medusa on that inner part of the eye as like a base for that glitter. This is just kind of like a pinkier version of that divine shade that we have on the inner corner. And I feel like this by itself looks so pretty. Like you could totally leave it like this. You don't have to take it the next step and put the glitter on top. I almost low-key want to leave it like this. But I also want to see the glitter. But this is such a pretty look just by itself. I really like that. Oh no. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and put the glitter over top of that, but like I said, you could totally leave it here and it would be like a really pretty kind of like beautiful Valentine's Day smoky eye. But hopefully this doesn't ruin it. I'm going to take that glitter and pop it on the inner corner. Okay, I think this works a lot better with your finger than with a brush. It's just not very like precise. I feel like I have so much. Oh goodness, this was not the right look to do when I'm doing like when I already have my base done. I feel like I low-key liked it the other way better. I'm gonna take that Athena color that we had, pop that in the inner corner, and then go over it with Fierce. Alright, it's not like the worst ever, but like I kind of liked it better the other way. Now I'm just gonna go back in with that dark brown like color that we already put in and deepen up that outer corner. And I want it to be like a smoky look. And if you want, you can tap into like another palette and add like a touch of black. I'm just gonna kind of keep it to this palette, but of course if you want it smokier, you can always modify it that way. Alright, so that's where I'm gonna stop on the lid. I mean, what else can we really do? Actually, I am going to apply this Purity color as a brow bone color. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the under eye. I'm gonna go in with this Heroic shade, which we didn't use at the top. This definitely has fallout, also FYI. Then I'm gonna go in with that Clever color towards the back. I'm gonna take that Medusa shade, which is that pretty pink color, and kind of use that to open up the eyes on the bottom. Line my rim with the Wet n Wild brown eyeliner pencil. Then I'm going to use the NYX matte black liner just to do a little line on top. Just a little baby wing. Gonna go in with the mascara. This is just a Tarte Artist. Just going to take some Ardell Demi Wispies and pop those on real quick. So this is what it looks like with the lashes and everything on. Pretty. Now I'm going to use my, what is this, Physician Formula Butter Bronzer and Deep Bronze. Just bronze up my face. Then I'm going to take this Sleek Face Form palette, and this is in medium, and just take that color right up there. I'm going to take this brush, which I typically use for highlighting, but today I feel like I want to use it for contour. So now I'm going to move on to blush, and I'm going to take this blush by Milani in Berry More. And dust it on. So I just want this to give us just a slight bit of color. Then I'm going to set with my Makeup Revolution Oil Control Fixing Spray. Let's use the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Rose Gold. Right up here. Then I'm just going to finish off my lips. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips with the Maybelline Color Sensational lip liner in Totally Toffee. I'm going to take this NYX Matte Lip Nude palette, and I'm going to use maybe this one. It kind of has like a reddy tone to it. So it's very similar to that lip liner color. And you can leave it like this if you want. I'm more of like a gloss person, so I'm gonna go in with this Kiss Me gloss in Single AF. Just kind of like a nudie gloss. Pop that right on top. Alright, so this is the final look. Honestly, I'm not like super obsessed with it. I don't know, I feel like I don't love the glitter. I don't know, it's like a pretty look, but I think I liked it better if I just kind of like left it without that red glitter. But it is really pretty. It's a really nice like glam smoky eye. I think it would be super perfect for Valentine's Day. Hopefully this video gets up before Valentine's Day. If not on Valentine's Day, hopefully you still have time to check it out. But yeah, I don't know, I really like it. It is really pretty. I'm not really loving that glitter, you know? But it is what it is. So final thoughts on the Athena palette though. I really like it. I really think that I like this brand Bad Habit. I definitely want to try more stuff out by them. Like I said, the glitter isn't like super amazing or anything. It's not like a terrible glitter, but I mean, it's not like amazing. The shimmer shades were really, really pretty, very pigmented. The matte shades blended out very easily, very pigmented as well. Honestly, very good quality for very affordable. Like this is a $12 palette, so definitely think that you should try and grab it if you were interested in the higher end. Yeah, so like I said, this is a very good quality. I mean, it's not like the best, most amazing quality ever, but for $12, like it's really, really good quality. And honestly, if you couldn't get your hands on the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, or you just didn't want to pay like $60 something for a palette, this is a great alternative because it does have the same theme of shades. I feel like it was supposed to kind of be like a knockoff of that palette, just for like a more affordable price. So definitely, if you're interested in, I would say go ahead and give it a shot. Give Bad Habit a shot. I think I really like this brand, and I'm definitely going to be ordering more stuff from them. So you'll probably see a lot more of them in my videos. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Definitely don't forget to let me know down below what videos you guys want to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.